The following portion of Bloom is sponsored by AgeRejuvenation.
Welcome back to Bloom. Laser season is in full swing. Since colder months tend to keep us out of the sun, now is a great time to start considering giving your skin a little treat to get that healthy glow. I recently visited AgeRejuvenation to find out about their laser resurfacing treatment package. I'm at AgeRejuvenation in their South Tampa office with nurse practitioner of aesthetics, Dakota Holt. Dakota, thanks for having me out here. It's beautiful here.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Thank you for being here.
Oh, I'm so excited. So talk to me a little bit about your laser and some of the treatments that you have. Very cutting edge.
So the laser that we're going to be showing today is the Tetra Cool Peel laser. It's a CO2 treatment that's going to help with tone, texture, and tightness. It's kind of a triple whammy. And it's going to help with just keeping the skin looking as vital and rejuvenated as possible.
Now, is there anything that people should be concerned about?
The concern is sun exposure following. We don't want you to ever go out in the sun ever, but if you have to go out in the sun, we want you to have a good SPF. And that's really kind of the prescription whenever you leave after this treatment is an SPF that's going to protect your investment.
Well, that's good to hear. And you know, a lot of people stray from this because they think, oh, there's so much downtime, it's painful. But your laser is none of those things.
This laser is really, really impressive because it doesn't have the pain associated with it, because I also have a complementary device that blows negative 20-degree air on the tissue at the moment of impact so that it reduces the discomfort that goes along with it. But also, it's just a superficial layer that we're trying to improve. So rather than having the deep penetration that the old way of doing some of these laser treatments, it cuts that out. It's not necessary. I need to preserve those underlying structures. So this is just a superficial burn, and it helps to tighten everything around each little burn.
Now, how quickly do you see results?
Instantly. You'll see the results that day, and they get better and better and better. As collagen and elastin is produced over the next 90 days following each treatment, you have a tightening effect of all of the skin, everything.
Yeah, that's so cool. So is there anything that we can do prepping before we have the laser procedure done and then post-care?
Absolutely. I joke about never going out in the sun for the rest of your life, but really don't go out in the sun for the rest of your life. No, or use an SPF, but also reduce your alcohol intake. Alcohol dehydrates the skin. It's the closest to the brain, so reduce that. And no ibuprofen. We try to steer away from ibuprofen that's going to shut down the inflammatory response. We want that inflammatory response because that's what's going to improve the skin. And you say that it works obviously for the face beautifully, but there are other parts of the body, like women my age are looking for a little bit of tightening, and you said you could even remove stretch marks. Yeah, absolutely. I'm treating stretch marks with it. Any skin that's abnormal, we can help treat so that it's going to look like the normal skin and a youthful, radiant skin.
And it actually tightens the skin as well?
It does. So it's microscopic burns, and they're all in a perfect shape of a cone, and each burn heals toward the center of each cone. So it literally tightens everything around the tissue, the treatment area.
And I understand, if, like, let's say I came in on a Friday afternoon, I had this done. 24 hours later, I can be out on a Saturday night, apply makeup. You just want to give that skin a little chance to heal.
If you do apply makeup with this, we don't want you to have to abrade it off, like wash it off with a cloth, but like turbulent water and soap, that should be just fine. But if the makeup is, you know, greasy and stuff like that, don't use that. But you can use makeup within 24 hours.
This
Cover
sounds remarkable.
I agree.
All right. Thanks so much, Dakota.
Thank you so much, Gail. I appreciate it.
To schedule a consultation with Dakota, you can head over to agerejuvenation.com or call 855-966-1492. Bloom will be right back.
The preceding portion of Bloom was sponsored by AgeRejuvenation.